Hi, I'm Michael from LosAngeles. I'm the architectural design manager here. As many of you know, in Southern California, we just got hit with a devastating fire. As our first responder finalizing the containment, many homeowners has begun planning to rebuild their homes and communities. The general process to obtain a permit is through the planning department first, then building and safety department. Our county, along with the smaller city, are currently beginning to roll out programs that could help homeowners to rebuild their homes, to reduce plan check time and speed up the permitting process. We here at LosAngeles has a tremendous record of building beautiful homes in terms of quality, and we have a great relationship with the county and the city that can help out the process even faster.